Do you want to learn how to create a BlueSky social account to sign up on this platform? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. On BlueSky social app on the website, click on this sign up button. Now choose a hosting provider. It can be BlueSky Social, just the default one, or you can choose a custom. You can have your own server address, put your own domain name, and host your BlueSky social account on your own server. I have a tutorial on how to do this. It's in the description, so you can check it out. For now, we're going to select BlueSky and done. I'm going to type an email address, password, and then select your date of birth. Now click on next. If you want to change the language, you can click on this and it's going to give you a pop-up where you can select a language of your choice. Once you're done with this, click on next. Now you need to choose a handle. Now, because we're using their own BlueSky social hosted website and not our own custom server, that's why it says bsky.social. And this is your handle. And then click on next. Complete the bot challenge, which I'm not able to understand. So let's do a refresh challenge. I think it's this. Now you're logged in and now it gives you some options. So give your profile a face. You can add an image from here, from your computer, or you can create an avatar instead. Like this. Now choose your interests. For me, I will just select these. Now it's done. Let's click on Let's Go button. And now you have successfully created an account on BlueSky social app. You can go to your profile from here and you can start creating a new post by clicking on this blue button. It will ask you to verify your email. Click on Send Confirmation. Then it's going to ask you for a confirmation code. This is how your confirmation email will look like. Copy the codes from here and paste it. Confirm. Now you get this success message. Close. Now you can start making a new post or a thread on BlueSky Social. And this is how to create an account on BlueSky Social app. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.